I tried Muay Thai for the first time in the lab along De La Rosa Street. I used to go boxing with my friends, but this was more than 10 years ago. So going back into this was actually really scary because I know how tired I get. I will say though that I enjoyed this more than boxing because it looks more like a dance. I think that's why I like it. It is extremely tiring though. Like my body is actually very painful right now. But I feel like it was worth it. You're so mean. So compare me to David. I cannot do that kind of power. He looks like a video game character. I would choose him in a video game fight. I would not choose me as a character. But see, look. Let's compare. Let's look at this shot of the both of us. Wow, look at that at the back. Anong nangyayari dyan sa likod? Te, pagod ka na. Pagod na yarn. Okay.